Today we're going to do a review of a new palette, and the new palette that I'm going to talk about is from I Heart Makeup Revolution, and this is the new palette called the Nudes. I was really intrigued about this palette because it's a new format. There's a new design to the inside of the palette, so yeah, as soon as I saw it on the website I just bought it. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you swatches, I'm gonna show you a closer look of my makeup. So yeah, if you would like to see that, please keep on watching. The palette comes in a package like that, so it is a plastic box, and when you open it, here it is. This is the palette. It's very sturdy, very nice. It's all made out of plastic, but I don't know, it's just nice. It feels nice. It's heavy, which makes it feel not cheap. So yeah, I really like the packaging. I really like this color. This is my favorite color out of all their chocolate palette. It's just so sleek and nice. It's beautiful. When you open the palette, this is how it looks like. I mean, it's so beautiful, and it's got 3 rows instead of 2 now. I did my makeup today only using this palette, so obviously I used quite nude colors. For my crease, I used this color over here, and then I used this color over here to make it even deeper, and then all over my lid I used this color over here, which is a shimmery golden color. And you can see in the palette that you've got a combination of both shimmery and matte colors. The shimmery shadows are very pearly, they're not very shimmery. You can use them wet, but they're still gonna give you a bit of a settled look. So like this color that I've used today, I've used it wet and it's still not super duper intense. It's quite sheer, but I really like it. It's wearable, so you can wear these colors on a daily basis. So in total in this palette you're getting 11 matte shades, and then you're getting 5 shimmery shades. But also you get 2 shades that are pearly. They're not either matte or shimmery, they're just pearly. As you can see, the color combination is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. I could use this palette every single day because there's different types of browns. There's browns that are deeper, there's browns that are warmer, and browns that are not as warm. There is pinky shades and sort of like peachy shades, and I've used the shadow over here to do my blush today. I don't know if you can see it, I've used it just a tiny bit, but it is beautiful. So you can use this one, and this one as a blush as well. In terms of eyebrow colors, I don't think I can use any of these for my eyebrows because I prefer my eyebrows to be a bit more brownish cold, as in without the yellowish tint to them, whereas these colors, they all a bit warm for my brows. Even this one over here, it looks like it's gonna be a gray, but it's not that gray when you actually swatch it. So I actually used my normal eyeshadows for my brows today. I didn't use any of these. In terms of color and texture, I would say they are very pigmented. I would say they are easy to blend. The colors that are a bit deeper, for example this brown over here, I would suggest to go very slowly with it, not to go straight in with it, because it's easier to blend that way. That's how I did it. They are very easy to blend, but I wouldn't say they compare to Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, for example. You still have to take your time to blend them, but once you took your time, once you've applied them the way you should, they look flawless. Honestly, they don't leave patches or anything like that, so yeah, that's great. Finally, they decided to change this format that they used to have for ages, and they changed it in such a beautiful way. I mean, I hope the next palettes that they're gonna do from this collection are gonna have the same format. I mean, you're getting a lot more colors because you get 1 more row of colors, and you get the same amount in every single pan, whereas in previous pans you used to get like 2 massive pans. For example, the white one, you would probably get like a massive pan of white, which is fair enough. I mean, you could want to use more white, but for me personally, I'm probably never gonna hit the pan on these, so I don't necessarily need a massive white pan. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you swatches of these colors on my hand, and I'm also gonna show you a closer look of the palette as well. Here you go guys, these are the colors. I hope you can see them well. I mean, some of them look quite similar to each other, but I mean, they still a bit different. For example, this color is quite similar to this color. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I would say maybe more of a bad thing, because you don't want the same colors to be all over again. But I mean, that's what you get. You get lots of nude shades, lots of matte shades. So yeah, and now I'm gonna show you the palette. This is how the palette looks from up close. As you can see, every single color has a name. I hope you can see the names. I know I didn't mention them. Hopefully you can see them. So overall, I would say that this palette is definitely worth investing in. You're getting lots of colors, they all very wearable, they very good quality. To be honest with you, I'm wearing these palettes, the I Heart makeup, on daily basis, and I've been wearing really expensive eyeshadows, and I've been wearing these as well, and there's no difference in terms of how long the color sits on your lid. So they normally last for as long as more expensive products, so I don't see why you would have to invest in more expensive products, especially if you like the colors in this one. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please leave them down below. If you like my dress, I will leave a link down below from where I bought it, because I really like it, and I know someone is probably gonna ask me where I got my dress from. So yeah, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!